Hello. In this video we will show you how to operate and clean the CSTEA steam table series. Begin by inserting the inner pan into the steam well. Then fill the pan to between the max and minimum fill lines on the inner pan with hot tap water. If you start with cold water and cold food, the steam table will take a very long time to heat up. Once you have enough water in the inner pan, go ahead and put your food pans in the inner pan. Now it's time to turn the steam well on. Turn the knob on the steam well to the max setting. Once the steam well has heated to the desired temperature, adjust the knob on the steam well down until you see the green heating light turn off. Turn off the steam well and allow it to cool down. Then remove all of the pans including the inner pan and wash them with warm water and a mild detergent. Wipe the heating element area down with a damp cloth, then dry it out afterwards. To remove the cutting board, simply lift the board off of the locating pins. The cutting board surface is textured to help prevent slipping while cutting different foods. To clean the cutting board, use a germicidal cleaner and a brush to get down into the textured surface. To reinstall the cutting board, line the holes in the board up with the locating pins and set the board down over the pins. The steam table inner pan is designed to be large enough to hold several different styles and variations of hotel pans. While we recommend using full, half, and third pans, sixth pans can be used with a center support bar if needed. Thank you for watching this training video.